The network is not so good. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello guys, here is Doing Holdings. It's a big company. Okay, so let's begin let's at the first time begin, okay? Yes, here is Henan Doing Limited Company, and also we have a big company in Henan, Zhengzhou. Of course, I'm a Chinese, so my company, of course, it's in China. All right, it's in China, and let me show you something. Okay, you will know that why I do this. I do this live stream for you guys because we have overseas warehouse in Nigeria. If you see the title of today's live stream, you will know that our company is international company. Okay, an international company. We are an international company. And you know that if we want to know some cassava lines or cassava starch or cassava cassava flour, cassava fufu, cassava gari, you need to come to my company to have a look because we are a very big company. It was doing for nearly 10 years about the cassava production line. Okay, the whole production line, like the bottom picture, no like the top picture shows that our company send many different kind of production to the all over the Africa, you know, and our production line is sending to over 120 countries or religions. Okay, okay, so let's continue. And you know guys, our company is of course in China, in Henan province, and our company have our own factory. Our factory is in where? You know, it's in Jiaozhou province. It's a very near place, near town maybe, and we have a factory in there. So if you come to China, we can give you a car ride. It's nearly 40 minutes car ride. You can go to the factory to have a look. Okay? Yes. So, and let's look at the company profile. Okay, company profile. Oh no, it's not this one. Maybe this one. Okay, here we go. Here is our company's profile. If you guys are interested in what I said, please leave a live stream for me, okay? Here we go. And our company's name, Henan Jinri Food Engineering Limited Company. This one is our company's name. And here is our company profile. You can see here is our office. If you come to my office, I will show you something about this place. Okay, and here is the profile. Brief introduction, right? Brief introduction. And here, of course, is our factory. It's near to the company. Okay, so here is our new factory. And the company structure, many different part of our company. Our company named Doing Holdings is a big company. And Henan Jinrui is just a salary company, right? So if you want to call me the Henan Doing, and if you want to call me Henan Jinrui, it's all okay, okay? It's all okay. Because they are all my factory, my company. Okay, so here is what we did. The starch or flour processing machine. Flour or starch processing machine. And the main products is the sweet potato starch production line or potato starch production line. And also the cassava starch production line and the cassava flour production line and other starch complete equipment and standalone equipment. Like if you want the gari production line, we have fufu production line we have, and the whole production line, it is more automatic, and the automatic production line means that you can save your labor cost. Okay, save your labor cost. This is a main thing. Okay, so these pictures, the top two pictures, here is our Chinese workmates in Nigeria, and here and there is my Nigeria workmates. Okay, Nigeria workmates. So if you guys don't want to talking to me, you said that, oh, I really hate to speak English. I only want to speak to the native people like the Nigeria people. Okay, no way, no problem. You can directly find the Nigeria company. You can find them, okay? And the bottom two pictures, here is our salesperson with the customers in the factory, also in the factory. And here is the edible oil processing machine. Edible oil. What is the edible oil processing machine? It's like the palm oil processing line, and the edible oil like the peanuts or sunflowers, and many different kind of production line. We all have it. We all can product this production line for you guys. And also here is the portrayment, pressing, leaching, refining, frication, winterization, dewaxing, and storage, packaging, oil tank, laboratory, and other complete sets of the equipment, oil press, frying pan, and filter single machine series, and so on. Okay, so if you guys are interested in this kind of company, please also you can leave a message for me. Okay, so here is also another salary company of the Henan Doing Limited Company. And this company is mean for the solid or hazardous treatment sorting plant. And this one is metal and plastic separating machine. This company it's also useful. And this is our certificate in our company. And here is another national patents. So if you are saying that, oh, you are Chinese, so we didn't believe your Chinese thing, believe made in China. No, you are so wrong, okay? Chinese making is famous all over the world, okay? So many of the white person or also the South Asian person and where South Asia, South America, or also America and Russia people, they all come to our company to buy our things, buy our equipment. Here is the factory machinery equipment. This is the machine what we use in our factory. Here is our live show of the factory. Okay, so and here is our team show. He is our boss named John, and he used to working of the Alibaba group, but now in 2011 he lead the team to establish Henan, former key account manager for Middle West region of Alibaba group, and also in 2011 he established our company named Henan Doing Limited Company. Okay, so here is our international trading team. These guys, their English is better than me. So if you want to come to China, they will treating you very well. Don't worry that their English may be poor. No, they are good than me. And also we have the domestic sales department. Okay, and they are very important in our company because they are the engineering team, okay? And if you guys are coming to Henan Doing Company, these guys will treatment you. Also the engineering, they can meet you in the office, okay? And here is our factory. Project cases. I think you guys maybe you are interested in this one, and you can see here our project is not only to sales all over the China but also all over the world. You can see here, and Nigeria have a overseas warehouse, so we always send a lot of delivery a lot of machine to Nigeria. Many Nigeria, okay? And Bolivia, DR Congo, Tanzania, like here. So don't worry because maybe you are eating the cassava starch. It's making by our machine, by our company's machine, right? And this is also the pictures of the project cases. Here is in China, and this is potato starch. And this one is in Indonesia, in Nigeria, in Tanzania. Yeah, this is for Fufu project. It's for DR Congo. Uganda, it's a cassava flour. If you guys want to see something about the cassava flour, please leave a message for me, okay? And here is a customer visit. Machine delivery, you can see that here is the box of the little machine, and here is the delivery photos, and also over here is also the delivery photo of our machine. Customer's factory installation. Equipment introduction. Okay, so here is the introduction of our whole production line. And first of all, here is the feeding hopper. Feeding hopper is for short storage of the raw cassava and uniform feeding. Here is a feeding hopper. Hopper will shake the cassava onto the belt conveyor. Okay, so here is the belt conveyor for material transportation. And dry sieve, it is for impurities removal from cassava surface. Here is the double slot paddle washer and only one slot paddle washer. So if you have a big amount of cassava, we can persuade you to use this double slot one. Okay, so here is the cutting machine. It's used for pre-crushing of cassava. The equipment hold of the 304 stainless steel, and the blade looks like a diamond, but it's just designed like this, and the main thing is that it can cutting the speed very fast and large processing capacity. And the blade is made of 4CR30 material with a high hardness, where a corrosion resistance and long service life. And the cassava putting in here, it will be cutting into the very small pieces. Yes, so if you want to ask me something, please leave a live stream for me. Leave a message for me, okay? Yes, let me answer you. So if you guys are interested in the cutting machine, please leave a live stream for me. Let me know that you are very interested, okay? Yes, no problem. And here is the cutting machine. And if you want to see the 3D animation, don't worry, I will play it for you as soon as possible. When it is done, I will play it for you, okay? So here is the rasper. Rasper is very important in the whole production line because it is used for second stage crushing of cassava. The cassava will, in this step, it will becoming the cassava milk. Okay? And the blood is made of 65 mn material. If one side, this side is worn out, the other side can also be turned over for use. Okay? This side is worn out, this side it can also use. Due to the fact that the tissue structure of the cassava is not easily damaged, repeated grinding with a rasper can fully destroy the tissue structure of the cassava blocks. Following small particles of the starch to fall dissociate from the cell wall, transforming bound starch into free starch, improving the material crushing rate and thus improving the final starch yield. Okay, so this is very good for use. But if you said that, oh, my budget is very little, Oh, our company also can provide you like the hammer crusher and the grinding machine. Okay, don't worry, we can provide the same tool production for you guys. Here is a centrifuge sieve is used for fiber separation. You know that the cassava have many longer fiber. It is really hard to eat, really difficult to eat maybe. And the separation of the fibers slowly carried out by multi-stage washing and screening to ensure the extraction rate of starch. Okay, so here this one is a hydrocyclone. Hydrocyclone is used for separation the protein and the cell liquids, like ensuring the high quality of the final starch. And if you want the cassava starch be little white, or it can be this machine will realize you. This process adopts an 8-stage hydrocyclone to ensure high purification of starch product and reducing starch loss. The cyclone machine and the pipeline connection between the cyclones are made of 304 stainless steel, food-grade material to ensure the quality of the finished starch. The internal pipes of each stage of the cyclone are different, even if the cylinder diameter remains unchanged. The fluctuation of the production can be achieved through the different internal pipes, which can achieve overproduction operation. The cyclone tube is made of nylon 66, a food-grade material with high strength and durability. It should be cleaned regularly, usually with a high-pressure water gun cleaning every 1 to 2 months. And here is a vacuum dehydrator. And this one is used for starch milk dewatering, from which we can get white starch powder, right? This need if you want to doing the cassava starch. Okay, so this machine is didn't allowed because starch pillars and centrifuge. Maybe this machine can only to making the cassava milk to dewatering. And here is the flash dryer. Flash dryer is used for starch drying. Adopt negative pressure to drying to reduce material loss. So this kind of tube have two benefits. Like the first one, it is can reduce material loss, and the second one is it can be prevent from the explosion. Okay, prevent from the explosion. So if you guys are interested in our live stream, please leave your message in here, okay? Here is the flat dryers benefits of this machine. You can see here is a very big tube. Maybe you have to making the tube out of your factory, okay? So this one needs that your factory maybe it needs so higher is like the 8.5 higher. And automatic interlocking control by reducing the feed water content and the outlet air temperature. The feed and the inlet air volume of one entire drying system are automatically adjusted. Temperature control points are set at the air inlet of the dryer, cyclone separator, and the exhausted duct to better control the temperature and ensuring the stability of the product's water content. And 4 is contact materials stainless steel to ensure food safety. Okay, so our whole production line is all made of the food. No, it's all made of the stainless steel. It can making our food safe. And here is the equipment in drying section. It's a sieving machine. Sieving machine is used for separation of the chorus powder and ensuring fineness of final starch product. Okay. And here is the electricity control cabinet. This cabinet you can making the machine open. Machine work or off on the cabinet. Okay. And also here is the cable bridge. Here is all. Thank you guys. Thank you. And if you guys are really interested in the 3D animation, here we go. Here is a 3D animation of the cassava starch making production line. If you guys are interested in our live stream, please leave a message for me, okay? And also you can leave a private message for me, okay? Leave a private message for me. If you want to know more details about this kind of production line, or you want to know the single machine, please let me know. And here is a Henan Jinri Limited company. And our company is doing the cassava production line, cassava starch or cassava flour, and also gari fufu production line. Okay? Also potato starch, sweet potato starch, we all can do that. Also the peas production line, pea starch production line. So let's looking at the whole processing line of the cassava starch. If you want or if you like the kind of cassava production line or single machine, please leave a message for me. Here is the factory's machine to putting like this. You need a very big house for putting this bigger machine, right? And here comes the lift. Lift will putting the cassava in the feeding hoover. And under the feeding hoover, here is a vibration sieve. It will be sieve out the cassava onto the belt conveyor. And then it will be going to the dry sieve machine. Dry sieve machine is using the friction, and then the solid will be pushing out, and the impurities will be removal from the cassava surface. Okay. So what's this machine? This machine named the paddle washer. And there are many pedals in the cassava. Oh no, in the big pole. The pedals will push the cassava to go ahead, and then the cassava will go into the U track, and it will be washing again. And here is a cutter. Cutter will cutting the cassava into very small pieces. Okay, so here is our vibration sieve. What's the using of the what's here is the rasper. I don't know. Here is a rasper. What's a rasper named like it is a big rotary, right? Here is a big rotary, and there are many bloods on the rotaries, and the blood it can use by two sets. If this set is worn out, you can turn out and use this set. It all can use. And the blood will be rasper the cassava into cassava milk, and then go to this pole using the pump. Pump the cassava milk into the vibration sieve. And this one is using for separation the fibers into the cassava milk. And we need many different stages of the cassava milk. It looks like here is for 5 stages. It's all using for sieve out the fibers. And this one is using for what? This two machine is using for sieving the very little impurities or the little fibers. And here is the descender. You can see the white, the blue, and okay, you can see the green and the blue one. This is our cassava milk going in this way, and the yellow is yellow. This is the sand, and little stones will go into the bottom. And then the cassava milk will go into the hydrocyclone. open the cyclone. Here is the tubes. Tubes are making of the nylon 16-6 material, and the cassava milk will fall into it and rotary in a very high speed. And then you will see that in the middle room it will be putting in the cassava milk. This way will be pushing out the impurities. This way will putting out the cassava starch. So if you guys are interested in the live stream, please leave your live stream for me, okay? Don't worry about that. Oh, I think your machine is not good. It's making in China. No, you know that Chinese machine is most cheaper than European one. And our machine is also making better than European make. And this is a pillar. Pillar will be putting the water out. Here is a wet starch. And this is for the flash dryer. And this is the flash dryer. We use a negative way to making the starch be drying. Here is a vibration sieve. It can making your cassava into the same, and then packaging the cassava. And also here is the electric cabinet, and the whole production line can making your other like cost. Laboratory cost will be very lower because this way is very automatic, right? It all can be done in the cabinet. Okay, so if you guys are interested in what I said, please leave a live stream for me, okay? No problem. And if you guys are having many questions of what I said, you can also leave a message for me. Let me know what you know or what you don't know. Like here is a paddle washer. Rasper making it to the cassava milk. And this one is a dressing machine. No, it is a hydrocyclone. Here is another 3D animation. It's a production line of making the Gary. Okay. So if you guys want to come into China or come into our Nigeria warehouse, you will see the real machine, like the carton I show you guys. Here is the vibration sieve. It will be sieve out the impurities on the cassava surface. And look at this one. This one is only one slot. If you can remember that in the cassava starch making production line, it is a double slot, right? So this is making only one slot. And putting it in the cassava peeling machine. What a peeling machine means? This is many like nearly 5 rotary in it, and every rotary here comes 5 rotary in the machine, and we use the sandpaper to cover the machine, and when it is rotary, the cassava will be peeling. And also we use the water. We use the water to put inside because this can making the friction be more heavy. Because cassava have some medicine in it, we need to peel it. Cutting machine. And into this grinding machine. Grinding machine, what's the meaning? The grinding. Why it's so fast? Here is a demagnetization. It will be demagnetate the metal impurities in the cassava tubers, and we use this grinding machine to broken the little pieces into very little pieces like this. And here is the elevator. putting it in this two machine. It will be pushing a little of the water in the cassava, the very small pieces. And the elevator again. Oh, wait a moment. If you guys are like, you don't want this machine, you said that why I need this, I can use the cassavas under the sunlight, it's all okay, right? I think if you don't want this to tank, you can also try to making the cassava little pieces into the sunlight to making it dewatering, okay? But you know, you use this two tank, it will be save your time, okay? It will save your time. And then it will be grinding again. Here is our Gary Ferris. You know what? Here has two long shifts. It will be making it Ferris out the cassava Gary. And this bowl is making the two layers, and here is the gas into the layers, into the two layers. So if you guys are interested in our live stream, please leave a message for me, okay? And if you are interested, please leave a message for me. I see the message, I will tell you how to contact us. And I think here is the WhatsApp number in the live stream. If you guys want to add me or added Henan Doing Limited Company, you can also add me here. Vibration save. And here is packaging the Gary. So here is the whole Gary processing line. If you guys are interested, please leave a message for me. Okay, message please. And our company name, the Henan Jinrui Food Limited Company. Okay. And welcome everyone, everyone in my live stream. You are lucky. Because why? Because we have the small scale Gary production line, small scale cassava starch production line, and also small scale fufu production line, small scale cassava flour production line. We all can do the whole production line for you guys. Or if you want the same machine but the budget is a little lower, you can choose the hammer crusher, or you can choose any other machine in our company, okay? Yes, and look at here. Here's pictures are our company sending the machine to all over the world, all over China. So if you guys want to come into China one day, please let me know, okay? And if you want to teach me more English. I'm very happy. I'm very happy and very thank you guys. Elevator, okay. Okay, here is only 4 minutes. If you are want or you have the future plan for making a whole production line in Africa or in South Asia or in Thailand or in everywhere you want, you can leave a number for me. Okay, leave your WhatsApp number or leave your phone number. It's all okay. Anyway, I will translate you. No, I will contact you. Sorry. And the Gary Ferris is our most good machine. It is sell for many last year. And here is Nigeria Gary project. Oh, it's how a Gary Ferris, right? We have an overseas warehouse in Nigeria, so if you want to you want the things in Nigeria, it's all okay. And also we have many projects in all over the Africa. So guys, don't worry about our companies. Don't worry about our company's production line or what. Also, we have the fufu production line. Fufu today is the time is a little shorter, so I don't show you guys. If it have time, maybe next week I will go to the live stream again, and at that time you can give me a feedback, okay? And if you are our old customer, you are our old friend, I'm very welcome to I'm very welcome you that you come to China again. Pillar. So if you guys are interested, please leave a live stream for me, okay? And if I see it, I will tell you more details about the cassava whole production line. Also cassava starch, gari, fufu, and the cassava flour production line. We all have it. So if you want not only the whole production line, but also the single machine, you can tell us, okay? You can tell us and we will send it to you. No, you need to come to China and see our factory at first, okay? Yes, no problem. Okay, so the time is up. See you guys, see you. Hope you have a good day. Hope you have a good weekend. And love you guys. Love you. Bye.